eating awesome! Step 1. Draw a trapezium. Step 2. Give it a little rectangle on the side. Step 3. Draw a couple of fries. These are just another couple of rectangles. Step 4. Give them a bit of depth. Just add more rectangles. Step 5. Now fill in the empty spots with more fries. Step 6. Don't forget about the cute smiley face. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute fry friend. Now, go to the store and buy some potatoes and make your own fries. See you later. Bye bye.